Ghanaians do not vote for flag bearer. They vote for political party. Largely. The flag bearer factor is just about 10%. If right now, as we speak, make John Mahama the flag bearer of NPP, and make BAWUMIA the flag bearer of NDC, and tell NDC and NPP members to go and vote. NDC members will vote for BAWUMIA, and then NPP members will also vote for Mahama. So largely, that is how Ghanaians vote. But they vote at any point in time, they consider the party that provides the alternative and how attractive that political party is. That is what attracts Ghanaians to vote for. You see, at the time when BAWUMIA came, NPP was unattractive. That is why everywhere we lost, including the MPs. We lost everywhere, all the regions. Our numbers reduced drastically. So that should tell you the flag bearer is not the issue, the problem. You see, BAWUMIA was unfortunate, or is unfortunate. He came at the time that he was supposed to break a cycle, which no political party has done it.
The 8 years cycle?
Nobody has done it.
Okay.
So what has he done? He has not done anything. Kufuor and Nana Akufo-Addo came at the time when Kufuor has served for 8 years. He was supposed to break the 8. He couldn't. Mahama was supposed to break the 8. He couldn't.
Okay.
He was a sitting president. He lost. And then he came back again to win. So for NPP members to say that BAWUMIA is the cause of our defeat is unfair. It's not fair to him. It's not fair. So we should be mindful that Ghanaians do not vote for flag bearer, but rather political parties. So we should rather make our party attractive so that Ghanaians will vote for us. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much. You actually worked with your time. Before you go, let me just ask you this question because you still have 2 minutes. Though, if you say Ghanaians don't vote for candidates, they vote for political parties. We saw the latter part of President Mahama's presidency where people massively rejected him, but he came back again. Do you think it's the party? Because if it is party, you saw that he got those floating voters to his side, and then also the NPP also abandoned some NPP. Even on this platform, people have come to tell us that they switched camp because they thought their party just was a mess. Do you agree with that?
Well, let me call it. Yes, let me qualify. I said largely. I said largely. I use the word largely. Okay. It means that the flag bearer may have some influence, but it's just minimal or marginal. You need to get it. You see, I'm saying that most of the time Ghanaians vote for the party when the party has positioned itself to provide the alternative for Ghanaians.
Okay.
So how attractive that political party is. You see, at a point in time, Ghanaians thought that the NDC provides the alternative.
Okay.
It could be lies, it could be the truth. You understand? So that is how Ghanaians consider it. So at a point in time, they thought that maybe MPP has failed them. And for that matter, NDC provides the alternative. So they should vote for NDC.
Okay.
That is how come they voted for NDC.
Okay.
Not necessarily former President Mahama, but rather the party.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Steve, can I please borrow your box briefly? I'll bring you back if you want to talk. We are 69 amazing people, and please 71 now. Let's connect with people now. Click on that viewer's eye and connect with everybody that's on this live. If you don't know how to do it, when you click on that viewer's eye, you see a plus sign. Tiny plus sign is red. Click on that. It means you're following everybody that is on this live stream now, and it'll grab you back. You can start from the box if you're done, and then you go to the people on the viewer's eye. And let's please continue tapping and then also sharing the live so we can get more people to join the conversation. We are talking about Dr. BAWUMIA. The blame game is still on, and it's getting worse. It's getting worse because now issue of religion is coming in tribe is coming in, and then also his wife is being contested. They're saying his wife is also not Ghanaian. Is the NPP as a political party losing the internal fight? Are they losing the internal fight? Are they also going too much? Are they doing as they overdo? Are they overdoing? And ultimately, is Dr. BAWUMIA the one who is solely to be blamed for the woes of the NPP? Was he the main reason why the party lost the last election? And the last question we want to ask is whether he stands a better chance now in the 2028 elections. Is it the best candidate to lead the party, or his strongest contender, Kennedy? As I always say, he's not my cup of tea, but... All right, Nee, before I go to expatiate to talk, Nee has some questions. I think he wants to ask Nkwanta Bisa questions, so let's hear from you, Nee. Nee, where have you been? We missed you.
Oh, sorry, it's job. I've been kept with work.
You see that the politics brought you back to it. I was like, will this flop? Because I've not been doing politics for a while.
Let me ask my small boy a question. Nkwanta Bisa.
Nee, I'm your small boy. You my
Politically, you are my father, but now you are my small boy. So, Nkwanta Bisa, let's try to situate it very well. I want to understand. When you say party vote, electorate vote largely with party, right?
Yeah.
Then somebody will be tempted to ask you this question. So let me just ask the question. Why did government machinery move at all costs to make Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA a flag bearer without necessarily allowing due process to follow?
Then why do we also have to change him? I'm trying to say that we don't have to change him because the cost. He hasn't done anything, so we should maintain him.
No, so hold on. So the second question, the first one you've not been able to answer. So let's go to the second one. Are you aware under his?
Is it a cross-examination or what?
No. You know the way we do it.
You know the way exhibition one
on the surface.
You know the way we do it. If you remember, under His Excellency John Ajay Kufuor, we had a vice president that was Aliyu Mahama. Very quiet, but he delivered, right? Then came Niels and then Mahama. Don't you think that, okay, nobody is saying Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA is not, in terms of perfection or his academic, is not good. But don't you think he brought up all these things because he was very vibrant, speaking about the economy prior to 2015, 2016. So people just knew, okay, make president and the president, and Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA will change the economy. Don't you think he was the one who brought it upon himself?
What has he done? Because it was rather unfortunate that during his term, the economy experienced some external shocks. Currently, the NDC, the CD appreciation that they are taking credit for themselves. The deputy governor of Bank of Ghana has come out to say that the appreciation has come as a result of the gold purchase program that Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA.
No, but hold on a second. When you read the report, you only